少々お待ちください。Hello, it's Nene. Welcome to my Keigo class. Today I'll show you how to say, just a moment, please. You use it a lot on the business calls, right? When you need a moment to look up something, or when you need a few seconds before answering your client, you'd have to tell them so politely. Let's see what you can say. 少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。少々 means just a minute, and お待ちください means please wait. Nice and simple, right? Okay, let's see an example. When your clients say, 会社の住所を教えてください which means give me your company address, please. And you can say, 少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。Some people might say, ちょっと待っててください。But this is too casual. You can't use ちょっと in the business conversations, so be careful about that. It is usually better to explain the reason why you need to put the caller on hold. For example, if your client asked you something but you had to look up something to answer, then you can say, お調べいたしますので少々お待ちください。It's like, I'll look it up, so please wait a moment. Please be careful, 少々 means a moment, and it means usually not more than 30 seconds. If you are taking longer than expected, you can offer to call back, rather than keeping him or her on hold. That's all for today. 少々お待ちください。お調べいたしますので少々お待ちください。I'm introducing useful Keigo phrases you could use on the business calls, so please subscribe if you are interested. Thank you for watching!